Welcome back to the last part of my food-inspired keychain series. And today, for our last part of this series, we're gonna do an Oreo keychain. I have already done the chocolate chip and the M&M, so if you wanna go check those out, go over to my channel, or I will put a card above and a link down in the description below if you wanna check those out. But the materials you're gonna need for this pattern: a black and a white worsted weight yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle, and of course the keychain. I got these off of Amazon in a pack of 100, so if you don't have any of these, go over to Amazon. They're really inexpensive. We're gonna start with our black, and you're gonna begin with a magic circle. Then you are going to chain one and make 6 single crochets into your magic circle. Pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. If you have trouble working with black yarn, make sure you have a good light or lamp so you can really see your stitches, because with black yarn it is extremely hard to see your stitches. So now you're going to chain one and put 2 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to your first stitch. Now you're going to cut your yarn and fasten off, but make sure you leave a pretty good long tail so you can sew your Oreo all together when you're finished. And now you're going to make another piece exactly like this one, so 6 single crochets, then just double each stitch all the way around. I'll see you when I finish there. I finished both of my cookie pieces. Now we just need to crochet the cream for the inside. So you're going to pull out your white and make a magic circle. Then for the cream, all you have to do is make 8 half double crochets into this magic circle. Pull your tail tight and slip stitch to your first stitch. Cut your yarn and fasten off. Now to assemble your cookie, you're going to make sure the wrong side is facing up. Put your cream in, then have your other cookie piece on top with the wrong side facing down. So that just sew it together like that, weave in all your ends, and I'll see you after that. Now that we're finished, all that's left to do is to add your keychain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.